In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Yuta's domain expansion in Sakura stand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your domain expansion when you are playing with the Yuta Okotsu spec. So, you will be able to use the domain expansion as long as you are playing as him. To do this, press Z. This is going to be activated by using normal and Rika mode. It has a cooldown of 120 seconds or 2 minutes. So, in this passive, all of the moves are able to be used twice in a row, so essentially your cooldown is going to be cut in half. Your E move in the normal moveset turns to Mimicry, and you are able to use any JJK move. The domain looks like a lot of crosses with the swords on the ground. These crosses do not have a hitbox, so this is going to be the general description of domain expansion, all-encompassing unequivocal love, and you, like I said, you will be able to activate it by pressing Z. I'm going to show you how it looks like up close, so this is how it looks like with the new Yuta domain, and you will be able to do it by pressing Z with the cooldown of 2 minutes. You also have other abilities, of course, so you have the normal mode and the Rika mode. In normal mode, you will have Ray of Light, Butterfly Dance, Love is Blinding, Black Flash, Godspeed Reflect, Arc Cut. And then in Rika mode, you will have Rika Slash, Raging Mash, Cursed Bubble, Cursed Speech, It's Pure Love, Recovery, and of course, like I said, the domain expansion. Immediately upon activating it, you will see all of the animations go off, everyone is going to be caught in the domain, and you can do as many attacks as you wish. You can change mode to summon in normal by pressing Q, and you will be able to use domain expansion by pressing Z. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Yuta domain expansion in Sakura stand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.